flight controls. Power on. Came to life, 24 volts, throttle. Everything's working as should. Up, down. Good amp draw. Good amp draw. You know what I didn't do though is check this amp draw. 1.5, 2 point. Yep, that's a good amp draw. So this is where we cut at. Right about there. Yep, that's it. 13. Close. Yep, 13, and it's small on this side. 10. You know what? I think I'm. Nah. Yeah, I'm going to. I'm going to lift this side up just about an inch. So I just mentioned we got 2 of these logs. My cousin needs 2 5x5 timbers, and I'm going to help him out. This is a free job. They need to be 8 foot long. He doesn't care the wood. So I have 2 maple logs. You know, that log has a big funky spot in it. I better check and make sure I got 8 feet to there. Oh yeah, 8's right here. That misses all that. What do we got down here though? I hope that's not a crack. Nope, excellent. He wanted 2 5x5s, so we'll get them out. I'll cut off 1-inch boards until we get boxed around the center. We'll try to keep the pits lined up. All right, guys, welcome back. We're out here. 5-inch, I've already mentioned, maple. We're gonna get the thing warmed up, the sawmill, and go from there. Everything looks like it's working as it should. I do want to apologize. You're starting to possibly see some green popping up in the background. Pollen season, and man, does it kick my butt for the month of May. It's this, I don't know. Tomorrow's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. But you won't see this until a week from this coming Tuesday. I had my MRI on my back, and I got some interesting results, but the doctor's very impressed. I'm healing. I'm getting a lot better. He's not sure how, and I said movement, so I just keep moving. I got a completely ruptured L4, L5 disc where it actually blew out the material. So that's what I've been dealing with. I have a bulging L4, L3, and all that narrowing and severe stenosis stuff, but movement. So I'm going to keep moving as long as we can. I don't think you even need to hear all that. I'll probably edit all that out. So let's cut this, get this warmed up, and get going. My wife might be out here. I hope she comes out. This is where I've noticed starting the sawmill is really hard on my back, but just give it a twist. The whole key with a back is just having confidence in it and building it back up. And that's where I'm at. I'm in the process of exercising and working it out. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. You got this. It'll go this time. Oh, it didn't. So ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Miss Jill showed up.
Up for a bit and then
Yep, I just texted Jim and said, these will be done today. So we're under pressure.
Yeah, I thought I want to go into town, but I don't have to go just yet.
So I gotta drop these down. Oh, let me flip it first. probably be 3 more. We're at 8 right now. No, we're at 6. No, I guess I'm going right to 5 next. Has a lot of tension. Wow. Swing it over here first. There we go. That's the kind of job we need more often. Those are nice. That went quick.
Nice and quick, and it was light.
Maple's a lot lighter than oak. We were finding that out. We don't do a lot of maple in the past, and we are doing quite a bit right now for that project we got coming up. This is for my cousin I mentioned, so this is a free job. We're not going to get nothing out of this, but good times and laughs. So that's how we do it with families. We'll go over there and we'll hang out and maybe have a cold soda. Anything in particular today? Tomorrow's Mother's Day. You'll see this video a week from Tuesday, though, so it'll be late. But happy Mother's Day to all you
Mothers.
deserving mothers.
Your chainsaw came in handy for little jobs.
Yeah, we did have that knot, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
What else? We got some nice boards out of it.
We lucked out. It only sprinkled.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
You had a visitor.
We had
made a sale.
We've made a sale while we're right on camera here. Sold
Blessing
a couple.
of the side-by-sides going by.
Yep. Oh yeah, blessing of side-by-side, blessing of Jeeps, all that stuff happening here. 20, 30 miles north of here. So they drive by and they're all heading that way. So a guy stopped in and was looking for some live edge, and I happen to have some live edge laying around, and he liked it. So that worked out well too. All right, guys, that's it for today. It's the weekend. We're going to do, what are we doing today?
I don't know.
Maybe go listen to some music tonight or something.
Maybe. We'll see. Go out.
Jam out. Go clubbing. Those days are. I woke up last night at 1:30 in the morning, and I looked at the clock and I thought, man, 35, 40 years ago, we would have been at the bar at Mount Pleasant, CMU, Central Michigan University. And I actually thought, maybe I'll wake her up and see if she wants to go out for a nightcap at 1:30 in the morning. No, we're not doing that. We're well past that. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you next time.
Have a good one.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You forgot to tell them that.
There you go.